Hi friends, so this is today's skills lesson, lesson number 13. Read the I can statements with me. Ready? I can learn about antonyms. I can read the pancake part 2 and answer comprehension questions. Does anybody know what an antonym is? What is an antonym? Can you say the word antonym? So I have an example of an antonym here. Bad, good. That's an example of an antonym, bad and good. Can you think of what an antonym is? An antonym is a word that means the opposite. So an antonym, the opposite of bad, would be good. What would be the opposite of up? Yes, down. What would be the opposite of stop? Yes, go. What would be the opposite of over? Excuse me. Under. Yep. So those are antonyms. All right, so I'm going to share this video with you, so I want you to watch it. It's a cool song about antonyms, a good way to remember what an antonym is.
It's the opposite word to another, like a sister is to a brother, or a father is to a mother. They're opposites. Yo, an antonym is the opposite word to another, like a sister is to a brother, or a father is to a mother. They're opposite. Hey yo, I'm gonna say a few words, yeah, and you're gonna say the opposites. You're the antonym queen or king. Go again. Hey yo, I'm gonna say a few words, and you're gonna say the opposites. You're the antonym queen or king. Let's go. Big, opposite, small, yeah, short, opposite, tall, yeah, fast, opposite, slow, yeah, stop, opposite, go. 3, 2, 1, go. It's the opposite word to another, like a sister is to a brother, or a father is to a mother. They're opposite. Antonyms are opposites. Antonyms are opposites. Antonyms are opposites. Opposites.
All right, friends, so for this next part, I'm going to read a sentence, and then I'm going to ask you what the antonym is for a specific word in that sentence. Ready? The pancake is a fast runner. What is the antonym for fast? Yes, slow. The fox is clever. What is an antonym for clever? Yes, stupid. Jane wants her pig to get plump. What is an antonym for plump? Yes, thin. Jim is a big man. What is an antonym for big? Small. Good job. And Mike is a young boy. What is an antonym for young? Yes, old. Good job, friends. So remember, an antonym is a word that means the opposite. Ready? Mirror image words. An antonym is a word that means the opposite. All right, good job. Okay, so before we read our next story today, we are going to review the characters, setting, and plot from the story, The Pancake Part 1. So who are the characters in The Pancake Part 1? So we had Pancake, Mom, the 6 children, and the farmers. What was the setting in Part 1? Where was the story taking place? In the house, in the kitchen, right? Now the plot means the beginning, middle, and end. And usually in a plot of a story, you have a problem and you have a solution, okay? So if I had to retell the story, The Pancake Part 1, I would say that Mom was making the 6 children a pancake, or pancakes, right? And the pancake was definitely worried. And all of the children were staring at the pancake. And the pancake all of a sudden got up and ran away. Then the mom and the 6 children ran after the pancake, yelling for it. But the pancake outran the mom and 6 children. And then the pancake came across these farmers, and he ended up outrunning the farmers. So that is how you would retell the story, the pancake part 1. Before we read the pancake part 2, we have some words that are a part of our story. And remember, we did AR yesterday and OR yesterday and ER the day before that. So AR, remember, is a syllable type for vowel R. And AR says R. So read the words with me. Ready? Start, smart, R, farmers. All right, now ER, what does ER say? Again, it's the syllable type vowel R. Read the words. Dinner, farmers, nearer. All right, what does OR say? It's the syllable type vowel R. It says or. Read the words with me. Snorted, for. And then these are 2-syllable words that we're going to see in our story today. Read them with me. Ready? Mistake, until, dinner, farmers, nearer, snorted. All right, I'm going to read the pancake part 2. Remember, when you have the title, the first letter of every word should be capitalized, and it is in this as well. Let's see, said Mike's dad. Where did I stop? The pancake was running, said Mike. He had just outrun the 2 farmers. Okay, said Mike's dad. Let's start there. Remember, this was his sister Anna that joined them. So here's Mike's dad. And there's Mike. The pancake ran on until, by and by, he ran past a pig. Why are you running, Pancake? The pig asked. The pancake shouted, I've outrun a mom, 6 kids, and 2 farmers, and I can outrun you too. I am too fast and too smart for you. You think so? Said the pig. Then it snorted and started running. The pig chased the pancake, but the pancake was too fast. So here's the pig and the pancake. The pancake ran on until, by and by, he ran past a hen. Why are you running, Pancake? The hen asked. The pancake shouted, I've outrun a mom, 6 kids, 2 farmers, and a pig, and I can outrun you too. I am too fast and too smart for you. You think so? Said the hen. Then she set off, clucking as she ran. The hen chased the pancake, but the pancake was too fast. The pancake went on until, by and by, he ran past a fox. So here's the hen. Why are you running, Pancake? The fox asked. The pancake said, I've outrun a mom, 6 kids, 2 farmers, a pig, and a hen, and I can outrun you too. I am too fast and too smart for you. The fox did not get up. He just sat there and said, What was it? What was that you said? I could not quite make it out. The pancake stopped running and yelled, I've outrun a mom, 6 kids, 2 farmers, a pig, and a hen, and I can outrun you too. I am too fast and too smart for you. The fox squinted and said, What was that you said? I still could not quite hear you. Why do you stand so far off? Stand nearer to me so I can hear you. The pancake ran up near to the fox. Then he shouted at the top of his lungs, I've outrun a mom, 6 kids, 2 farmers, a pig and a hen, and I can outrun you too. I'm too fast and too smart for you. I wonder what's going to happen. You think so? Said the fox. I think you made a mistake and got a bit too close. Then he scooped the pancake into his mouth and ate it for dinner. And that was the end of the pancake. And that is the end of the tale. So there the fox ate the pancake. Alrighty. So, when you are done listening to the story, I want you to go get 13.2. You can pause the video. I'm going to read the questions to you and you just have to circle the answer. Okay, ready? The pancake first ran past farmers. Then he ran past, was it A fox, B, a hen, or C, a pig? Circle A, B, or C. Number 2, the pancake ran past a hen. As the hen chased the pancake, she was A, clucking, B, snorting, or C, yelling. Number 3, how did the fox trick the pancake? So you're going to write the fox tricked the pancake, and you can write by or because. All right. And then you can keep the pancake part 2 paper that you have home. Put it as a part of your library, and you can read it when you have some time to do some free reading. Read it to mom or dad or grandma and grandpa, aunt or uncle, or maybe a brother or sister. Okay? And that is our skills lesson for today. So I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.